Why does your scanner show the P112D engine code? What does it mean? P112D is a diagnostic trouble code for oxygen sensor, negative current, or positive current control circuit, or open bank. 2. Sensor 1. The P112D engine code for indicate the front upstream oxygen sensor, the one before the catalytic converter, on the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1, usually the driver's side on LHD vehicles. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring harness, upstream exhaust leaks, shorted or loose connections, aftermarket piggyback flashes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Jeep, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.